In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personalized AI assistants with Gemini. By the end, you'll have a custom assistant called a gem that understands your context, speaks in the tone you choose, and delivers answers in the format you expect. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser. Once you're in the app, look to the left-hand panel and click on Gems. This is where all your custom assistants live. Choose New Gem to create one from scratch. Think of a gem as a focused teammate. It has a purpose, a voice, and a set of materials it can reference. Give your gem a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance. Names that reflect the job it does work best. Something like weekly report writer, customer FAQ helper, or code review buddy. A good name sets a mental boundary for what the assistant should and shouldn't do, which helps keep its responses on target. Next, write detailed instructions that define its role, tone, and output format. Be explicit. Describe what the assistant is responsible for, how formal or friendly it should be, and how its answers should be structured. If you prefer numbered steps, short summaries, or templates, say so. You can also include do and don't guidance, what to prioritize, what to avoid, and how to handle uncertainty. The clearer the instructions, the more consistent the results. Now, attach knowledge files to give your gem context beyond general information. You can upload up to 10 files like PDFs, documents, or spreadsheets. Add only what's relevant to the assistant's job: playbooks, style guides, policies, pricing sheets, or product specs. Keep files clean, up to date, and concise so the assistant finds the right details quickly. Avoid sensitive or personal data, and if a document is long, consider a summarized version that highlights the essentials. Use the preview panel on the right to test your gem. Ask it realistic questions or tasks it will handle in everyday use. Check whether it follows your tone, cites the right parts of your files, and formats responses as instructed. Try a few edge cases to see how it behaves when information is missing or ambiguous. If anything feels off, refine your instructions and prompts. Adjust the role, tighten the tone, add examples, or update your files. Test again and iterate until the assistant behaves exactly as you intend. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your personalized gem is ready to use, and you can return anytime to keep improving it as your needs evolve.